Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix Roblox not launching. So before starting, you have to make sure that your internet is stable and your Roblox is updated. And this will help you get Roblox running normally again. So the first thing that you will have to do is close Roblox completely. And on your Windows, you will go to Task Manager, which is right here, and then once you see Roblox here, what you will have to do is right click it and then you will just have to click end task. And after you end task, you will just have to restart your device to clear cache sessions that lack launching. And then after that, you will open your Roblox again. If it still won't launch, you will just have to uninstall Roblox and then you will reinstall the latest version from roblox.com. And then you will just have to check your browser, clear your cache and cookies to be sure, and ensure that the pop apps or the app launching are allowed for Roblox. And finally, if you do have your VPNs enabled, just make sure to disable them and update your Windows or your Mac and check the antivirus settings. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.